Right, assalamualaikum everyone, Cassie people, and a lot of people have been asking me, I do great predictions, they want to learn and this and that. Yes, you can learn, actually, whatever I know, you can learn. So I do have the course for you, the Pirate Trader, okay? This is my best work put together, which actually is 18 to 19 hours of educational content for my past 5 to 6 years of experience. If you look at the price, I can give you a discount, and all you have to do is actually message me on Twitter, and Twitter is AdamCoins_. Okay, you can actually look at the link in the description of this video, and you're going to see all these different 50 to 60 different topics. Even if you're an absolute beginner, okay, and you don't know anything about crypto or trading, this can take you to be an expert, just as I'm doing it. And actually, let's do a challenge, because I'm very interested. Save this video, like this video, because I want it to reach to as many people as it can, because what I'm about to say is actually quite important. I think September is about to be red for CAS. Yes, I'm telling you. Now this one is due to TA. So let's go back some few days ago, and I want to minimize this. So this was made 2 days ago, and I said neckline backtest may happen, and I want to show you the recap. So let's get into the video. Here, and you got this right shoulder. Now, where's the neckline? You always have a neckline for the head and shoulder. Now, this is your support neckline right over there, which has been broken. But as far as I'm concerned, we might have one little bit of a push up here. Yes, one little bit of that push as a retest, and then finally go down, because that's the retest of the. Basically, I'm just gonna stop it there, because if you notice, the prices were at 0.0339, okay? And I did know that, yeah, CAS wants to go down, but I told you that first of all, move up, then probably go down. So we are following the plan, and it's working pretty much. So what I want to show you is that, yes, okay, we've actually done the retest, and probably that's all. You can see that we really moved up to 0.041580, and I told you that people are going to flip bullish here, and I think you have an amazing opportunity to take an entry and ride this thing all the way down to this technical target, okay? And that's going to be nearly a profit of nearly, we're talking about 34%. This is one of the best time to actually not have CAS in a buying way. I would actually sell CAS if I was you, and I think the best stop loss is going to be somewhere up here. So we don't see CAS going up there. This is going to be an invalidation of the head and shoulders. Now the next thing is, I just want to inspire you why trading is so damn awesome and cool as well, is that on the monthly time frame, I want to share with you one piece of information. And you can see that previously, when you had this one green candle, and you probably had the doji in the middle, we saw the prices going down as well. And I mean, the next candle did go down. So whatever you're looking at, these two candle is probably pretty much the same as these two candle. And what happens next is that the third candle became red, and I do believe that you're looking for the third candle to be red when you go all the way to the downside, just like that, okay? And CAS may probably really come down to this technical target that I'm giving you right now, and that's going to be 0.025689. Now we do have 23 days, and I just want you to keep on looking on this video, and I want you to keep on. I'm not saying it's going to happen on September. It could even happen on October, but I do believe September is the month of CAS to basically drop down to this technical target. So what do you think? If it actually does that, do you think this is worthy of you to trade? Well, I do believe that a lot of students agree with the fact that they have learned a lot from this one piece that I've put in together for you. So do check it out. Message me on Twitter if you want a discount as well, if you're serious to learn, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.